Mga di natutunawan. Kakakain lang namin, guys. Samahan ng di natutunawan. Mahaba ng biyahe.
Grabe.
Po. Tough lang po.
Inagura.
Hindi nagura.
Ano ba yun? Ibig sabihin? Hi guys! So it's currently 4:20 na in the afternoon. So ayun, kakatapos lang ng online class ko and I'm just preparing right now ng mga things ko na dadalhin sa school kasi magla-lock in kami doon sa GOX or kung saan kami mapadpad if magka-coffee shop or what. Kasi kapag dito sa condo, alam mo yung ang hirap mag-focus. May instances na, ganun din ba kayo? Like, pag kung ano, nagre-review ka, ganyan, solve ka. Tapos mamaya makakita ka ng kalat kung may malikabok or kung may strand ng hair mo. Tapos alam mo yung bigla ka maglilinis. Kaya yun, nawawala ko sa focus. And then aside from that, ang sarap matulog kasi dito sa condo. So ayun, na instead na mag-aaral ka, kung di ba, nag-aaral kang ganyan. Tapos mamaya, sabi magpapahinga ka lang ng mga 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Tapos syempre, hihilata ko sa kama ko. So, ayun, tapos mag-scroll ng TikTok. Tapos hindi mo na mamalayan anong oras na pala. Kaya ayun, pupunta rin kami sa school kasi madaming kaming quiz this coming week. So, ako kasi mag-start na yung quiz ko this Saturday. And ayun, may accounting quiz ako na Saturday. And then after yan, next week na naman, sunod-sunod yung mga quizzes namin. Kaya ayun, need talagang mag-aral ng mabuti. Talagang mabuti. And hopefully talaga hindi kami magdaldalan. Buti nga 24 hours yung GOX or yung parang may area kasi doon sa Lasal na 24 hours yun na pwede ka mag-aral doon. So, baka doon kami pupunta kung wala kami or kung ano yung mapag-decision namin. Kasi minsan kung saan kami pupunta. So, ayun. And nag-prepare lang ako and lalagay ko lang yung mga gamit ko sa bag ko. Since parang dadalhin ko lang naman kasi laptop, yung iPad. So, actually nag-charge kasi yung pen ko para mamaya lock in talaga. So, ayun. Yun lang naman.
Yun na, sabi din ng tito ko, kapag nag-work daw ako.
Let's eat Shalong Bao. This is Choco Shalong Bao. My favorite sa DTF. ASMR. Hello guys. So today is Saturday and I will be attending sa Gawad Abweg. So it's an event sa Paridel. So I'm just fixing lang my outfit. So this will be our OOTD for today. So kasi parang theme natin is modern Filipiniana. So technically magsusot ng barong 'yon. So yeah. This is our outfit, guys. Magbo-book na ako ng Grab so I can go na sa Hotel Binild kasi doon yung location. Kasi super init. Pawis na ako. So, ayan. Let's go. Kasi pinatay ko na yung aircon eh. So, magbubook na tayo sen. See you sa Hotel Binyal.
Gawad ng gawad sa servisyo kina George Chandler Velasco bilang pagtugot ng retrato 40.
I just want to share this moment because if there is one thing I'm certain about, it is that I am here because of APP. I am incredibly grateful because this organization trusted me and allowed me to keep doing what I truly love, which is taking photos. Sometimes I still can't believe that everything I hoped for during my college application is now my reality. My journey started back in grade 4 when I first discovered photojournalism. I still remember the teacher who believed in me and told me that I was capable, even at such a young age. That small act of trust became the beginning of everything. It planted a dream in me that I carried all the way to where I am now. Who would have imagined that the kid who used to watch UAP games online would one day be courtside with the camera, capturing the moments he only once saw on screen. I never thought I would meet the journalists, the players, and the artists I used to admire from afar. Yet here I am, sharing the same space with them because of APP. Balancing everything has never been easy. I am a student, a photographer, and an SK in my province. People always ask me how I manage all of it. And most days, I honestly don't know. But APP became one of the reasons I kept going. It reminded me why I started and why I stayed. And because I love what I'm doing. And then, there is this team, these beautiful souls who share the same passion and vision as I do. They were not just members under my wings as photo editor. They became my inspiration and my support system. I am thankful for the friendship, the shared stories, and the bond we built throughout this journey. They made every challenge lighter and every moment brighter. I would not have survived my term without them. And I would not be the person I am today without APP, trusting me, guiding me, and allowing me to continue doing what I love. I remain grateful and humbled, living the dreams I only once imagined.
Maraming salamat sa mga naging guidance mo, sa mga naging tips mo sa amin kung paano mag-improve yung craft namin. And
Naramdam mo, welcome na welcome kami. Ganun. Salamat po ako sa mga tinuro niyo ko para mas gumaling sa pagkuha ng litrato.
Sobrang dami kong natutunan sa'yo. And enjoy lang palagi pag kasama ka.
Maraming salamat dahil naging sandalan ka namin sa pahayagan at nakita ko ang lahat ng effort at dedikasyon mo para sa retrato.
Grabe yung tiwala at suporta na binigay mo sa akin. Doon ko nalaman na marami pa pala akong pwedeng ibigay.
Thank you. Very thankful ako na naging patnugot kita sa retrato for you. At super thankful rin ako na marami akong natutunan dahil sa'yo.
alam kong hindi madali ang maging patnugot at ramdam ko na yun ngayon. Kaya nga, lagi kong tinatandaan ang sinabi mo na basta mahal ko ang ginagawa ko ay kakayanin ko. At sinabi mo rin sa akin noon na nakikita mo yun sa akin, kaya dala-dala ko yun araw-araw.
Anong message mo sa patnugot natin?
Ha?
Sa patnugot natin, anong message mo?
Congrats po. Congrats.
The best. Thank you po.
Wednesday.
Message mo sa patnugot natin.
Thank you.
Parang cold naman. Napaka-cold mo naman.
Thank you.
And if this is just the beginning, then I can't wait to see the moments I'll capture next.